Today we're going to unbox another helmet. Bell. Now the real fun begins. See you out there. This is a Bell MX-9 Adventure helmet. Ooh. We work for the underdogs, the hard chargers, the privateers, and the pioneers. We dare them to live wide open. Woohoo! I like that. So inside the box of this Bell MX-9, just want to show them that today's unboxing is for this MX-9 Adventure MIPS Dash Gloss Hi Viz Yellow Gray for banana riders like me who like extreme visibility out there for safety, of course. So here we are. It's we have here. It's inside the box. Okay, it's wrapped in this red bag, nice red bag. Oop. Open it. It's sealed. This thing here. Look at that. Oh, Bell. It's a Bell, nice Bell bag, Bell branded bag. It comes with this sort of styro lining, further protecting the helmet. Taking it out of this, got a silica gel. And the helmet itself. Here you go. Whoa. Okay, so this is for adventure purposes. This is purpose specific to adventure. This is an XL, which is 61 to 62 centimeters. Now I got it right. I am about 61 and a half. It has a peak, this nice peak here, which can be adjusted. Lower to block the sun and the roost. Higher if you just feel like it. Okay. It has a nice big visor here that says tinted lenses, daytime use are not suitable for use at night. Lenses damaged by scratches will reduce visibility and should be replaced. Visors and goggles having minor scuffed areas or small surface scratches should not be used at night. Contact with petroleum products and other solvents may impair the optical properties and reduce the mechanical strength. This visor is approved for use with Bell MX-9 Adventure. Bell, the choice of the professionals. Obviously, we need to remove this before using it. Purchasers are advised to check that the fit of the visor shield is compatible with that of the helmet which it will be used. Users should be aware that the protection of the face given by this eye protector in an accident will be dependent upon many uncontrollable factors. To clean helmet, wipe with damp soft cloth and dry after cleaning. Do not use any cleaning agents or solvents. When cleaning the visor shield, do not use solvents or detergents containing abrasives. Remove shield visor per the instructions in the user's manual. Clean the visor shield, rinse with lukewarm water, and dab dry with a soft cloth or air dry to prevent streaking and damage to the anti-fog coating. There's anti-fog coating in this thing. Do not wipe off anti-fog treated visor shields dry with a cloth, as this can obscure the visibility of the visor and shield. Goes up, tick, 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 up, semi-open, it's huge, wide. There's a vent here, in front, open, close, open, close, open, close. There you go. It is MIPS multi-directional impact protection system. It has ECE 22.05 approval. It also has the ICC sticker for the Philippines. It is 1,816 grams plus or minus. We expect to install a Bluetooth intercom system here. So let's check out the inside. Inside, it comes with the stoppers here to seal this if you decide to wear it without the visor or the peak. This one here. There's a small thing here also. That one covers the top. Here. See? Whoop, whoop. If you so decide to take the peak out, it will leave a hole here. And this little thing here is going to cover that. Poop! Right there. So, awesome. Okay. Inside, let's look inside. This is double D-ring. Super safety, double D-ring. And very, very posh liner here. There's no chin flap here. There is space here for comms system. And here is the MIPS liner, allowing it to move side to side in case of a lateral impact. So it's very good. It's very posh. The quality here, plush, posh, nice. I think these are removable, and the moisture wicking also. It's very nice. So inside, if you want to look from the inside of this helmet, look at that. You can see really see the vents here. Wow, lots of ventilation. That's awesome. There you go. So there you have it, folks. Bell MX-9 MIPS dash Hi Viz. And this, by the way, look at that. That is reflectorized gray. You know, if you shine light on that, it is going to reflect light. So it's really banana rider's dream, this one. It's really good. Comes with reflectorized stickers. There's 4 of them here if you want to just increase the visibility of the helmet. And it comes with a manual. There you go. We are now going to try out the Bell MX-9 Adventure Helmet MIPS edition dash Hi Viz, wearing a balaclava. This is XL. This is supposed to fit, there you go, 61 to 62 centimeters easily. Putting it on now. Wow, what a beautiful fit. Wow. Double D-ring. Easy. Oh, one more time. Go inside. Double D-ring. Go inside. Boom. And clip it back. There you go. And then the visor. Ta-da! Yield. Wow. It is a very, very large view that I have here. Wow. Very large view. Solid construction. Little ventilation, additional ventilation if I wanted to. It stops there. Up. Visor. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Sure. Excellent. Nice. There you have it, folks. This is the Bell MX-9 Adventure Helmet.